had the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me.
Salut les amis, welcome to amouralail show. Today I will show you how to prepare perfect club sandwich. Don't let all these ingredients scare you. You will see it's worth it. What we have here: beautiful bread, chicken breasts, cheddar cheese, pancetta, beautiful one, red cabbage, mixed salad, potatoes, big tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, homemade mayo, and eggs. Let's start. Here I have 1/4 of a red cabbage that I will slice on the mandolin. This hard part we will remove. And now we can go. Be very careful when you're cutting with the mandolin. This Japanese mandolin, they never forgive. So never like this, you always press it like this. It's beautifully cut on the mandolin. Now I'll put that in a bowl. Here I have homemade mayo that I make freshly today with my organic and free-range eggs that I'm buying from local market. So you can see the color, it's really beautiful and rich. You can't find that in a supermarket. Okay, now this mayo you will put inside. And you will mix it. Now this is perfect. That's it. We will leave that on the side to settle down. Here I have beautiful bread. We will cut it. You can cut it however you want, like let's say 1 finger thickness. Now I will put that in an oven to toast it and to give that lovely crunch and color. You can do it however you want. You can do it in a little pan like this, or you can do it on the toaster or on the grill, however you want. It's up to you. Here I have beautiful chicken breasts that I will make like a little fillets. Perfect. Now we will season them. Salt first. Pepper. Then you will flip them. And now we will prepare them. You will need a little bit of oil. We want that beautiful color, golden brown. Nice caramelization on the top. Chicken is ready. Now we will put something special, and that's pancetta. I have here lovely pancetta. Pancetta has to be really crispy, because after when we will cut with the knife, if not, knife will not pass. This is beautiful. Symphony of pancetta. Can it get better? So now we will prepare the eggs. 1 egg per club sandwich. I always flip the egg, because otherwise if the egg yolk is super liquid, it goes messy, it goes everywhere. I prefer it like this. So guys, chicken is ready, eggs and pancetta is ready. Now we will start to assemble the sandwich. But before that, here I have cheddar. You can put cheese that you like. I prefer cheddar. And now on this chicken that is already ready, I will put the cheddar. And I will put that in oven on highest level to melt it. Our meat with cheddar is in oven, and now we can start to assemble the sandwich. This red cabbage with mayo that we make in the beginning, it will be our base for the sandwich. You put it generously. Here I have beautiful tomatoes. And we will put it here on the first one. So now we will take 1 egg and we put on this one in the middle. And also here we'll put this lovely pancetta. This is now like chips. Amazing. Here I have beautiful salad. We'll take a little bit of cherry tomatoes. These little ones are amazing. They're exploding in the mouth, like flavor through the roof. Beautiful. And now we will season that. I have here olive oil. You can put any acidity that you like. Lemon, aceto balsamico, whatever. I have here red wine vinegar, so I will put it. Beautiful. Salt, little bit of pepper. And mix it with the hands. Guys, mixing with the hands is the best. Don't be scared. Our salad is ready. Look at this. Beautiful. We will take... Ooh, look at this. Never end. We'll put cheese. With the chicken on the bottom. And now guys, this goes like this. Super important is to press it. Here I have beautiful potatoes that I roasted in oven. So we'll garnish them with them. We'll take a little bit of this salad. Ta-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na. Now we'll cut this beauty. Wow, look at this. Now we will place that on our plate. Wow, how does this look? So I have here ketchup and mayo for the potatoes. Let's try this bad boy. Oh my god. Mmm. 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 That's it, guys. Now you know how to prepare amazing club sandwich. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Merci.